Here we will write a Python program to print sum of two numbers using parameterized constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file. In comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class addition, and then we will define constructor with init method, and we will pass the constructor parameter as self and num1 and num2, and then we store these values to variables. So self dot num1 equal to num1 and self dot num2 equal to num2. Then we will define method print total with self, and we will return the total as self dot num1 plus self dot num2. Then outside the class we will accept two numbers from the user. So n1 equal to int input enter first number, and in n2 we will accept second number. Then we will create object of our class addition. So a equal to addition, and we will pass n1 and n2 as a constructor parameter, and then we will call the method print total from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. I will enter first number as 4, second number as 5. It will not print anything since we are returning the value. So while calling the method we will use print statement, print sum of two numbers, and again we will execute it. I will enter first number 4, second number 5. It will print sum of two numbers as 9.